name's Jason Clifford, I work for Net-a-Porter. Apparently we're hiring.
Hey, Jason.
I'm going to talk about network mockery, mocking network services using LWP user agent request, or mocking it, keep overriding it. Why? Well, we're increasingly developing an SOA environment and calling out to lots of different services to do very simple things. And so a lot of the behavior of our code is sort of things that we call out to a very dynamic based on what we throw at them and what they feel like. And sometimes they even give us back what they expect, or we expect. Mocking LWP user agent, by mocking it, I actually mean overwriting the request method. Is it a good idea? No, not if you're doing unit tests. But for other types of tests, I think it is. I know that some people don't. For testing multiple layers of the stack, which includes the network layer, I don't want to call out to the network service because I might break it. And for doing things like mech tests, etc., I actually want them to do a proper test to test that my code performs the way I think it should when it gets the data I'm expecting back or data I'm not expecting back. And SOA environments, blah, blah, blah. So I wrote a module a while ago, earlier this year in summer, to I say mock LWP, I actually mean override LWP. There are several classes that do that. Some of them override it, some of them mock it. This one's mine, mock LWP request. Some others may fit your needs better. Have a look at them. My one builds a queue of responses, and you can dynamically throw things onto the queue if you want, and then pulls the responses off of the queue as you make the requests. You can turn it on or off on the fly. It's quite simple. I did write something based upon the similar idea for a project I was working on earlier in the year. And then I was going to do a Python talk in Kiev, or I submitted a Python talk in Kiev, and I wrote this version and threw it onto CPAN to justify doing that. Didn't get called to do the talk, so I'm doing it here. But I decided that wasn't actually the best approach. I think there's a better approach, which is to give it a responder and have another object work out how to produce the responses based on whatever logic it was. So I can encapsulate some of the logic of the service that I want to mock within that, and then just plug it in, let that dynamically produce response based on what I throw at it. Should be able to handle any kind of request, but that's up to the object to deal with. And I wrote the mock LWP request with responder just before lunch today, so it's not on CPAN yet, but it will be maybe tomorrow. And that's it.